Welcome to Compare to Win. The best quick splice is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with electrical wiring, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle home improvement projects. This innovative connector simplifies the process of joining wires, eliminating the need for traditional wire nuts and soldering, making your electrical tasks faster, safer, and more reliable than ever before. We'll dive deep into what makes this particular quick splice stand out from the competition, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision for your next electrical endeavor. Number 5. Haisstronica 120 PCS Solder Seal Wire Connectors. Introducing Haisstronica's Solder Seal Wire Connectors. These marine-grade connectors ensure a weatherproof and long-lasting bond for all your electrical needs. Our hot melt adhesive systems provide a strong seal in seconds. They are specifically designed for harsh environments, offering protection against abrasion and impact. With enough solder to melt and flow, these connectors form a secure seal. This ensures durable connections, especially for larger wires. Each connector is uniquely marked with wire gauges. This makes identification and selection quick and easy for any application. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not satisfied, please reach out to us for assistance. What we like. This option provides a robust, weatherproof seal thanks to its marine-grade adhesive. If you are working in harsh environments or need a long-lasting, reliable connection, this is a great choice. Its unique wire gauge markings also make selection quick and easy. What people say. The wire connectors are very easy to use, just insert the wire and crimp. They make for a very clean and professional-looking connection. The connectors hold the wires securely and provide a reliable connection. Number 4. Haisstronica Marine Grade Solder Seal Wire Connectors. This comprehensive kit covers virtually all your wiring needs, offering a wide assortment of connectors suitable for various gauges. It's designed for easy portability, making it convenient for any job. Experience a secure and lasting connection with our premium solder seal rings. The integrated solder melts and flows to create a robust seal, ensuring durability even for larger connections. Our heat-shrinkable tubes are engineered for demanding conditions. They provide excellent protection against abrasion and environmental factors, creating secure seals for your wires and cables. Rest assured, these connectors meet rigorous industry standards, including RHS, ISO 9001, SGS, and CE. They are built to handle a maximum rated current of 10A. We are dedicated to the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. With a vast assortment of colors and sizes, this kit covers virtually all your wiring needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for various projects and want assurance of quality and compliance with international standards, this is the one to consider. What people say. It makes a solid connection. With water-resistant joint. These have become my go-to when wiring a model railroad. It's so much faster and convenient to use the heat-shrink solder connectors. The diameter of the connector was the perfect size and thickness for the specified wire gauge. The glue and heat shrink portion definitely helps make a nice water seal compared to any other methods. Number 3. Wirefy T-Tap Wire Connectors Kit, 120 PCS. Introducing the Wirefy T-Tap Wire Connectors Kit. These innovative connectors allow you to tap into any wire effortlessly, without the need for cutting, stripping, or soldering. Mid-span wiretapping is now simpler than ever before. Our connectors feature thicker, tinned copper contacts that remain sturdy even when connecting to thicker wires. This ensures a reliable and secure connection every time. They are designed for a wide range of applications. The quick splice connectors are built with a durable plastic housing that securely locks onto the wire. Once snapped in place, the housing will not open, providing a dependable connection, especially for low-voltage projects. Included are nylon male disconnects designed to lock tightly onto the T-tap connectors. This prevents any sliding out, ensuring your connections remain secure and allowing you to complete your projects with confidence. This comprehensive kit includes 60 T-tap wire connectors and 60 male quick disconnects, providing enough for numerous wiring projects. They are perfect for automotive, marine, home wiring, and many other applications, easily handling 22 to 10 gauge wires. What we like. This connector allows you to tap into wires without any cutting, stripping, or soldering, making mid-span connections incredibly simple. If you're working on low-voltage projects like automotive or home wiring and prioritize speed and ease of use, these T-taps are ideal. What people say. Use these to fix them, then wrapped with weatherproof electrical tape. The T-tap connectors snap on securely and the spade terminals fit tightly, giving me confidence that the connections won't come loose from vibration. Installation is straightforward and saves a lot of time compared to stripping and soldering every connection. As long as you use the proper crimping tool, the connection feels solid and reliable. Number 2. 125 PCS Solderless Quick Splice Snap Wire Connectors. Introducing the easiest way to connect electrical wires. Simply insert your wires and crimp them shut with pliers for a secure connection. These connectors are perfect for situations where space is limited. They allow for quick connections without the need for wire cutters or strippers. Unlike traditional methods, these connectors barely cut into the wire's insulation. If you make a mistake, they can be easily removed without creating a mess. This set includes multiple sizes to accommodate most common wire gauges, from 22 to 10 AWG. They are ideal for low-voltage applications like automotive and marine projects. Perfect for those without soldering experience. Just place your wires inside, squeeze the metal clip to make contact, and close the cap for a completed circuit. These connectors significantly speed up repairs and are simple to install. For added protection, you can enhance their durability with liquid electrical tape or heat shrink wrap. What we like. This is the easiest wire connection method available, perfect for those with no soldering experience or who find traditional crimping difficult. If you need a quick, simple solution, especially in tight spaces, and want the option to easily undo mistakes, this is a fantastic alternative. What people say. They allow you to tap into an existing wire without stripping or soldering, saving so much time and effort. The variety of sizes in the pack covers all my needs. Decreases the cutting and stripping to a minimum. I can connect different components without having to permanently modify something. Easily reversible. Number 1. Solderless Quick Splice Wire Connectors, 100 PCS. Introducing our Quick Splice Wire Connectors. They offer a fast and reliable way to join wires without any hassle. Forget about stripping wires. These connectors allow you to simply insert your wires and snap them shut for a solid, permanent connection. Designed for wires ranging from 18 to 14 AWG, these blue connectors are ideal for a wide variety of electrical projects. Crafted from high-quality, insulated, and fire-retardant PVC with pure copper, they ensure excellent insulation and conductivity. These connectors are perfect for both household and industrial wiring needs. They are especially useful in automotive and marine applications. Achieve a secure, solderless connection quickly and easily. They are a great alternative to traditional soldering methods. What we like. This connector offers a fast, reliable, and solid connection without any need for stripping wires or soldering. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to splice into existing electrical circuits, especially for household, industrial, marine, or automotive applications, this is a great option. What people say. These quick splice connectors are super easy to use and save a ton of time. They hold wires securely, no soldering needed. I used for 18 gauge wire, no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.